Japan's expansion in the east began in 1931. Their goal was to become an independent nation. Japan invaded Manchuria in 1931 and continued through 1937. Japan was faced with severe shortages of oil and other natural resources.
Driven by the ambition to displace the United States and the dominant Pacific power, Japan launched a surprise attack on the U.S. at Pearl Harbor, Hawaii. On December 7, 1941, in response, the U.S. declared war on Japan. The U.S. was also in war with Germany.
Late 1944, American forces liberated the Philippines and began massive air attacks on Japan. On August 6, 1945, the United States dropped an atomic bomb on the Japanese city of Hiroshima. Tens of thousands of people died during the explosion.
And many more died from radiation exposure. Japan agreed to surrender on August 14, 1944. Then Japan formally surrendered to the United States, Great Britain, and the Soviet Union on September 2, 1945.
The B-25 had two Wright R-2635 engine, 1,700 horsepower. It weighed 21,000 pounds empty and 34,400 pounds full. The wingspan is 67 feet 7 inches, the length is 53 feet 6 inches, and the height is 16 feet 4 inches. The B-25 had anywhere from 12 to 18 and 50 caliber machine guns equipped.
High-velocity rockets, 2,000 pounds of bombs in all. The plane would hold 6 crew members: pilot, co-pilot, navigator, or bombarder, turret gunner or engine, radio operator or waist gunner, and tail gunner.
The Doolittle raid happened on Saturday in the afternoon. On April 18, 1942, there was 16 B-25 bombers which flew over Tokyo and dropped 16 tons of bombs.
The raid took place because the Japanese had bombed Pearl Harbor, and this was payback. Not only was it payback, but the U.S. states needed a victory to keep morale up in the U.S.